Hello, this is Muhammad, the developer of QuickCode. Today I'm gonna talk about content translation of your newly installed QuickCode instance. So, if I go here to the front page of the website, it's just in English. I'm gonna enable now a new translation. If we go to content from here, content and then translations, let's enable one of the languages. Let's say Russian. And after that, if I go back here, if I refresh the page, the language picker is showing. If I select Russian, and then it will just translate the UI component, but it will not translate the user generated content. And now I'm gonna talk about how to translate menus, how to translate the home page and inner pages as well. Let's go back here and then let's go to content blocks. From here we can translate the homepage content. If we select Russian and then we search for title, main title. Okay, let's click on edit. And if we go to Google Translate to translate this text, let me copy this text and let me go to translate.google.com and let me translate it to Russian. If I click on copy and then I go back here and then I can click on save. After that, if I refresh the page, it will show me the text in Russian. So in the same way we can translate all content of the homepage. And if we go to the menu, we can translate menu items from system settings, menus, and then here, for example, pricing for Russian, it's pricing. Let me copy this text, let me add it here, click on save and then refresh the page, and then the text is translated. I can also translate the URL here, but for now I'm not gonna translate the URL. Okay, so next step is to translate pages. If we click on any page here, for example UPI, it will take us to UPI dynamic QR code generator, and this page is in English. So how can we translate this? So first of all, let's go to pages and let's create a new page. Let's say UPI Russian. Okay, and let me copy the text or everything from the default UPI page. Let me copy everything from here and let me paste it here. Okay, so I'll just translate the first line here to Russian. Let me copy it and paste it here, and then let's scroll down here and click on save. Okay, so we have this page in Russian. What we can do, what we will have to do is in the next step is to translate the URL of this page, the URL, the UPI page. If we have to go to UPI, yes, here, and we add the same URL here. Where is it? Okay, I have to go back to pages and I have to copy this and add it here. Okay, now when I am in Russian language, and then I go back to the home page, and then I click on UPI. Okay, let me refresh the page here again. When I'm in Russian and then I'm in UPI, let me click here. It took me to the Russian UPI, and this is the text in Russian. So this is how you translate menu and pages, and also the footer pages work in the same way, exactly the same way.